Let's edit this piece of writing.
To enhance and improve your writing, you will need to use a variety of sentences. Let's add a relative clause and a subordinate clause to this piece of writing. Tom misses his friend Sam. He wants to see him but can't. Let's add a relative clause in here to give the reader more detail about the character. You could add something like this: who was feeling rather sad. And we could add a subordinate clause in here. For example, because he was too far away. So you'll have a piece of writing that looks like this. Tom, who was feeling rather sad, misses his friend Sam. He wants to see him but can't because he is too far away.